Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about my 2 weeks of experience using this iPad Pro with the M1 chip. I say the M1 chip because it's completely different compared to the previous iPad Pros. I've been using iPad Pro for last 2-3 years now for my daily office use, but the experience what I have got with this M1 chip is completely different. M1 chip has completely changed the Apple machines, including the MacBook Pro and the iMac and all the versions which they have come up with this new chip. It's really incredible. You need to really experience it to understand the difference between the old machines and the current ones after changing the chips. Now for me, iPad Pro is something which I wanted to use for all my needs, starting from editing the videos. I use this LumaFusion to edit videos. I was using Final Cut Pro on the MacBook Pro for editing my videos. Now I have completely shifted to LumaFusion. Definitely there are many things which we cannot do using LumaFusion compared to the Final Cut Pro, but I feel that 98% or 95 plus percent of work can be done using this LumaFusion. Sometimes you need to find some tricks to get things done. Now after editing couple of videos, now I feel very comfortable editing on LumaFusion. LumaFusion was something which I have been using earlier. Now it's like I want to edit all my videos using LumaFusion. And other than LumaFusion, I use notes, email, then reminders, the messages, then the files app, notability, few apps which I use for most of the things. Then YouTube app for uploading the video. That's something I feel that I needed something better. YouTube app is the only app which I can use to upload the videos. I need to export the videos from LumaFusion to the Photos app, and from the Photos app I can upload it to YouTube. Again, to get the default content and all, the YouTube Creative Studio is not that great, I feel. I was using the web to upload the videos, but now I am not able to upload the videos from the web. I need to find a solution for that. Again, from LumaFusion you can definitely upload the videos, but I feel that because I have different channels, I need to configure the channels every time. I'm not able to save the channel separately and keep it. So that's few things which I feel it's lacking compared to the MacBook Pro. But I think I am very comfortable using this. It's a really great machine. It's giving me very good power backup. It's very good for editing pictures, videos. The Lightroom works really great. And a few things I wanted to show you. Many people were trying to, like, in the Notes app, if you want to link one note with the, suppose you want to insert a link of one note in another note. Now I have made couple of notes and I want to refer or link to a particular note. It is very much possible from the iPad OS 15. Like, you can, I'll show you how to do that. What you do basically is select the folder which you want to create the link. Go and from the menu, share folder, copy link, click the copy link again. Then the place where you want to insert the links, I'll create a new file, just testing note file for linking a folder. Now this is a folder. We can do it for files also. I'll show you that how to do that. And you can in fact add your own text. Now this is a URL. Now what you do is you just type the text what you want. Now this I am typing as it's linked to the folder called Fighting Diabetes, and just delete this. Now you click on this link. Yeah, it will open the Fighting Diabetes folder. So it's very useful. Now you can refer to different files also. Now I'll show you. So this is the link actually. Even this link will work. So it goes to that folder. Okay. Now we are going to see link a note and reminder. See, you can put a note into the reminder. Even you can do with the emails. Now you see you can click on that link and the email app would open the same email which was linked. This is very useful. Once you start using it, you will find that it's really working great. Now we will see how we can link a note from another note. You go to the note which you want to create the link, same way which we did for the folder, copy link, and now I'll go to another, create a new note, test linking to another note. This is the link. See, it works. It goes to that other file. Now you can even change the text of the link. Just type the text what you would want to do and delete the URL. That works fine. Yeah, delete it to folder. I'm going to delete the URL. Anyway, the hyperlink is created, so when you click on that, you can have the. For me, I am really exploring new features of the iPad OS 15. It's really great, and I would say that I am almost completely using iPad for all my things. And let me tell you, during this, for this Maldives trip, I have not carried my MacBook Pro. I'm doing everything using this iPad Pro. I have a Magic Keyboard which works really good, fast typing, and it has lots of shortcut keys, so it's like you can work very fast. And the Apple Pencil is really good, the second generation one. It's like a great experience using the iPad Pro M1. So if you are a power user and want to use iPad for all your needs, I would suggest that you should take the iPad Pro with the M1 chip. Then I have taken the cellular connection also. Advantage is you don't need to find hotspots or tether your phone or check for Wi-Fi's. You can just open your iPad and start working if you have a SIM which has a data connection. So I am using that. It's working great for me. I am really surprised with the speed it processes the Canon EOS R5 C-Log footages. It transfers very fast and it doesn't have any lag editing the videos. I am really impressed with the M1 chip. It's great. If you are upgrading your MacBook also, I would suggest go for the M1 chip. It is working really good. I have heard that even a MacBook Air is enough to edit videos of Canon EOS R5. So Apple is doing a great job with the new chip. So that's all for now. Bye. Take care.